Hello, Technology 8. I'm Mr. Nitty, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Sites to create your technology portfolio. So, as you can see, I'm on Google here, and I have typed Google Sites into my search blank, SITES, and Google Sites will come up with a sign-in, which I'll just click on. Now, if it asks you to sign in, just use Google and use your hoquiam.net email address. What we're going to do today is start with a blank site. So we're going to click on the plus button to create a blank site. When your blank site is created, it'll take just a little bit and it'll come up saying your page title. What we're going to do is use your name and technology portfolio as our title. So we can select in here. And let's say your name was James Student. We'd say James Student's Technology Portfolio. And I'm going to copy that just so I have it. And this is going to stay right here in the center of my screen. If I want to center that text, notice that I have text editing options up top. I can click this and choose Center Align. Does that look a little better? I think so. The next step is to create a site name. So if we click over here in the left corner, it says enter site name. I could type James Student's Technology Portfolio, or I could just paste it in. Now for some magic. When I click away from the title, notice how the new site receives a full name of James Student's Technology Portfolio. Now that we've done that, we've got a title for our site, and we're going to go to our assignment sheet, and we're going to enter in some text on the front page. In order to do that, we've got to go over to the right here to these blue T's that stand for text box, and we click once. You'll notice a text box appears right here on your page, and I've already got the text that I'd like to copy from another site, and I'll just paste that in here. This will be in your instructions. You say, hello, my name is, and you would put in your name and welcome to my technology portfolio. So with this, we've created our first page. You can either paste or type this information in here. So then once we're done with that, we want to go over to the right and click on Pages. This shows the pages that we have in our site, and so far we only have the home page. Down at the very bottom, there is a plus button. We want to hit the plus button and name the new page My Page. You can put an exclamation mark if you'd like. When you hit done, My Page appears on the right and comes up at the top here. Now let's talk about how you're going to customize your page, because this is the main work for the week. You can change the image that's in the background if you don't like that gray. By selecting image here, choosing change image, select image, it gives me a whole range of images that I can use. And if whatever I like, I can put up there and I can change at any time. Now, let's talk about what else we can add here inside our My Page. Clicking on the Insert button gives us a huge range of options, and what I want you to do is play with this. If you'd like to enter text, I would suggest putting a text box first. And you can say hello. And you'll notice that you can select text and change it based on things like text size. You can make it bold, italic, and we even have the ability over on the left to change the section background. So I can make this be blue if I'd like. If I want to get rid of something, there's a trash can that sits on the left-hand side and I can delete a section. Another powerful thing is layouts. If I click a layout, I can put something that will allow me to add an image, either from uploading it, selecting it from YouTube. I can put a calendar or a map in there and put text in there as well. If I decide I don't like that, I can just hit the trash can and get rid of it. Down on the bottom here, there are so many things. There's an image carousel, which lets you insert images, and then it does a rotating set of images that constantly rotate as you look at the page. There are stuff for maps, for docs, for slides and sheets. And basically, I want you to make this My Page be something that tells me about you, that it contains images, text, videos, and other things that will let me know who you are. So I hope that's enough instruction for now. The last thing that you're going to do when you've actually created your home page and your My Page, up at the top, there's a little person with a plus sign, share with others. You're going to select that and see how it has my name here. You're going to share with cnitty at hoquiam.net. Hit send, and your work will be submitted for the week. Thanks very much for watching my video.